The best benefit I would say is that I didn't have to waste time. My name is Jake Lindgren. I run the Edward Jones branch here in Huron, South Dakota. Lived here for about 7 years now, married with a 2-year-old. I like to be active nonstop. I don't do a very good job of sitting still. I like to hunt, fish, golf, play sports. I like to do anything that gets me moving, gets me outside. When I can't move efficiently, I get grumpy. You can ask my friends, you can ask my employees, you can ask my wife, you can ask my client, you can ask anybody. I am not fun to be around when my back hurts. The story of why I went to see Jason is because I had a once-in-a-lifetime elk hunt this year, and my back kept progressively getting worse. And I would work out harder to get in better shape, and it kept getting worse and worse and worse. And it's like I had to pull a parachute cord, and that parachute cord was Jason. And we did 1 injection shot in July, waited 3 weeks till we could safely do another one, did a second one, and it gave me the results I needed to be able to perform on a hunt. I hunted for 23 days, hiking 15 miles a day, and I couldn't have done that without Jason. I was working with the team at Cars, and I thought the next step was, I thought in between a hurt back and a resolution was surgery. Being in my 30s, I didn't want to have surgery. Like, that was not going to happen. I was gonna go through a lot of years of pain before I even considered surgery. And so I didn't know that there was a solution that I could walk 2 blocks to the hospital here in town and get a different sort of pain relief. I didn't know there was a space between chiropractic care and physical therapy and surgery. And that's what Jason did for me, and because it wasn't invasive, I walked out of the hospital that day, and I resumed my normal activities the next day, and I just didn't know that that was actually a thing, and that would help. For me, being able to access these things at my fingertips or a phone call or 2 away, instead of having to schedule months and months out and then travel to Sioux Falls, I mean, that's everything to me. You know, I'm gonna raise a family. I'm gonna be here till I'm in my 60s, 70s. And these are things that is critical to why I want to stay in Huron, because I want my son to get the same type of care I had. And I don't want to have to go to Sioux Falls. I don't want to have to go to Brookings or Watertown or Pierre. Like, it is critical to me that these services are available. It's a no-brainer. I mean, it's 10 out of 10 importance to me.